Ready?
Aba yung sasakay nyo, kami no, na hindi kasali dito sa mga sasakay.
Ah, sabi ako sa inyo. Ah, tingnan lang natin ito para ano.
Kung sino lang yung kakasali. Basta priority mo sila. Gusto mo ako sila?
Si Marita.
4 yata. 4.
Si ano?
Sabi siguro.
Again, ladies and Besma. So that's the ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give a big hand to our handsome team group? Palakpakan everyone. Kailangan din ninyong gawin for this afternoon. Ang hindi sumayaw ay makakatikim ng isang matamis na halik mula sa host. Ano po ang gusto ninyong gawin? Sasayaw or kiss? Sasayaw. Dito tayo, come on boys. Dito na tayo, gentlemen. Come on. Kailangan ninyong sumayaw. Ibigay natin to as a simple gift to our lovely couple. Come on. Dito na po tayo, team room. So boys, kailangan ibigay ninyo ang pinaka-best move ngayong tanghali nito. Dito po tayo boys, hindi tayo makikita dyan. Come on. Dito po tayo. Iba po, dito po sa gitna. Come on. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, bigyan natin isang masigabong palakpakan ang ating team group. Isang sumayaw talaga. Naging backup. Without further ado, let us all welcome and let's give the biggest round of applause to our newlyweds and our lovely couple, Mr. Lloyd and Mrs. Nicole Samson Espiritu. Palakpakan na everyone! Miss Anne, Morgan, and Tina. And this the next the groom's brother, our best man, Mr. John Moore, Espiritu. Palakpakan everyone.
Una sa lahat, congrats sa inyo dalawa. Ate Nicole, Kuya. Magsisimula ako kay Kuya. Kuya, nandiyan ka na sa punto na nag-asawa ka na.
Iiyak na yan.
Yun,
Solo mo yung kwarto, Jen.
yun, naiwan mo na yung kwarto sa akin. Sana sana mo maligunin. Tapos yung mga damit pa doon na hindi mo kailangan, iwan mo na din. Yun, congrats, tsaka ingatan niyo yung isa't isa. Tapos, marami pa kayong magpagdadaan na magkasama.
Sabi ko sa'yo, napapreso yun eh. Kailangan niya habaan.
Kayo ng dalawa yung mas kailangan magkaintindihan. Ate Nicole, alagaan mo yung utol ko. Kapag nawala ko, balik mo na lang sa akin. Yun lang, congrats. Ito yung araw niyo. Thank you sa pag-ano. Basta yun. Sige.
Anyway, thank you very much to our best man.
All my life was a paper, once plain pure and white, till you move with your pen, changing roads now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music. Every note was a place. Anybody could see all the changes in me by the look on
You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Si Mommy Evelyn po, ang first girlfriend ni Sir Lloyd. Ang babaeng kailanman ay hindi siya sasaktan at iiwanan hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. At ang babaeng nagbigay sa kanya ng unconditional love. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the biggest round of applause to our first dance, the mother and group dance. Thank you very much, Mommy Evelyn, together with our handsome group, Mr. Lloyd Espiritu. And this, ladies and gentlemen, let's have our second dance, the bride and the father dance. So ladies and Gilbert Mayo, together with our beautiful bride, Mrs. Nicole Samson Espiritu. Palakpakan everyone.
It'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I'll protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My heart will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give the biggest round of applause to our second dance, the mother and the bride and the father dance. Thank you very much, Mr. Gilbert Mayo, together with our beautiful bride, Mrs. Nicole Espiritu. And this, ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited part of our celebration.
They say in
guys, ito yung nangyari nating wedding ring. Ayan po.